let us take a look at the processor registers. There are 10 32-bit and 6 16-bit processor registers in IA32 architecture. And the registers are grouped into 3 categories. Okay, so we have the first category. So we are inside our Parrot OS, and I'm going to elaborate using this one. Okay, so we have the first category of this one of processor registers, and the first category are the general registers. Okay, so from there we have another category which are called the control registers. Okay, so from there we have another category which are called the segment registers. Okay, so the general purpose registers are further divided into the following groups. Okay, so the first one, so let's just go inside nano. Okay, so let us go inside nano. So nano, and then elaborate. So let me name this one bean.asm, like that. Okay, so inside nano I'm going to elaborate. So we have the general, we have the general. So let me you are not seeing very well. Okay, so we have the general registers. We have the control registers, and we have the segment registers. Okay, so from there we have let's take a look at the general registers. Okay, so the general registers are divided into the data registers. We have the pointer registers and even the index registers. Okay, so we are going to take a look at all of them one by one. Okay, so in the next part we are going to take a look at the data registers. Okay, so thank you. Make sure you click the subscribe button, like the video, and then share the video.